I took an orange color pencil to divide the whole canvas into two parts. Here I'm showing you an example of how to make our required colors from basic colors. Here I took blue color, white and green color and mixed these three to make teal color. I started by painting the canvas from corners with black color. Both the corners should be in pure black color, whereas in the middle it should be in light black so that we can use teal color over it. Blend these two colors and make sure you evenly spread them over the whole canvas. For orange color, I mixed yellow and a little amount of red and a little amount of white. Blend it near the edge. I used yellow in the middle to highlight it and then I blended it. Fill the second part of the canvas with black. Add another layer of paint over it. This is how it looks after 2 layers of paint. Sorry, my camera blurred here. It's going to be alright next. For waves, I just painted a layer of white paint and then used a dry brush and that too flat brush to give it a light brush strokes. Make sure you place the tip of the brush parallel so that you get uniform strokes. So here I showed you how if I place the tip of the brush perpendicular it doesn't work. Here I used small flat brush to get smaller lines. I used orange in the middle and blended it. If you watched the video till the end, please support me by like, share and subscribe. And if you want to connect with me, follow me on Instagram, the same page, Passion Space. Have a nice day.